Warm revolutionary greetings, Africans. Are we good? How are we doing? I'm good, guys. I'm good, guys. Guys, I'm talking the National Prosecuting Authority, the NPA. The NPA appears, the NPA appears to be a tool, right? A tool at the hands of the ruling political elite. The NPA appears to be a tool at the hands of the political elite, especially in this case, a tool at the hands of the Cyril Ramaphosa and its cabal and his cabal. Look at how the National Prosecuting Authority goes around tarnishing people's names, but hardly secures any conviction. Let's look at all the how to call the high classified cases, right? Not necessarily even classified. Let's look at the cases that involve the well-known politicians, right? Well-known politicians and business people, right? High-profile politicians. But not just any high-profile politicians. High-profile politicians that are known to be opposed to Cyril Ramaphosa. And here's the thing, it does not even end there with these high-profile politicians. It is even extended to administrators and professionals. Your Brian Molifes, your Matsela Koko and others, right? Look at how the NPA readily avails itself to be a weapon, right? To be a weapon that is unleashed against those people. And this thing you must understand, these things are interlinked, right? It first starts with the NPA claiming to be charging a particular person that they've got an aversion to, right? This particular person that the system, right, and the ruling political elite they've got an aversion to, right? Charge this person with graft, corruption, money laundering, this kind of charges that they know